This Indesit Innex washing machine is stocked with features that make it perfect for when you're pushed for time or on the go. The push and wash feature turns the machine on, sets the program and starts a 45-minute wash which needs no pre-treatment. Simply push the relevant button to enjoy a hassle-free thorough wash. The rapid cycle delivers great cleaning results for smaller loads in just 20 minutes and just 60 minutes for a full load. Ideal if you need your favourite shirt cleaned in a hurry. Waterbalance Plus makes your laundry cycle more economical by tailoring the amount of water used to the size of the load, so you can cut down on water usage and help to reduce the cost of bills. Whatever the load, make laundry time that little bit easier with this Indesit Innex washing machine.